Pardon my small talk, darling, I'm all talk. They wanna fence me in, never a ballpark. We tear the wall off the walls, off Astoria. I told my dudes to get to Stephen like Gloria. I made my case, she a slept on jury. And when I go from deep, I be like Stephon Curry. The lines that hit you sharp, it got the Teflon worry. So I told her that I cruise home, yep, like Surrey. So I woke real early, grab a bagel and a glass of Joe. The He-Man, woman hater, I'm a Razzico. And alfalfa for my hair stick and it last control. Cause I'm a rapper, but she more into the classical. No need to apologize. I'm 21, but I've been dreaming about the college life. So when she looks into her father's eyes, shouts to Eric Clapton. I'll be the director, cause I'm all about the action.
You're so damn beautiful, my January Jones. Oh, you drive me mad, and I come right back from your head down to your toes. I want you all alone. Oh, you drive me mad, and I come right back.
You say I'm spellbound, I hardly spell out the 4 letters that make every girl just melt down. We on the shelf now, no Sam Goody. And when you mention other dudes, they know damn hoodie, cause we go truly hard, styles like Julie are. And I've been gifted since the youth like I'm a truly art. When we were younger, you were cooler, you and your friends used to rule the yard. A moment flick by, I wish I was Nick Fly. Marty with the sick ride, I'm able to switch time. No second guessing decisions on why I pick sides. So X-nay on me talking about my insides. Always up to something, so we annually home. This song is dedicated to my January Jones, and it's a space jam. They say that I'm Michael, loving under 20's a cycle. So here we go.
You're so damn beautiful, my January Jones. Oh, you drive me mad, and I come right back from your head down to your toes. I want you all alone. Oh, you drive me mad, and I come right back. And I come right back. Oh, you drive me mad, and I come right back.
I throw my hand out, I'm trying to help her up. She looking back at me, I think you helped enough. Ain't having none of it, you gonna sit and say no love for AAA. Okay, she's gone away.
You're so damn